Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install better length clip-ins, so stay tuned.
Shorty bad, slim, thick, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist, she the plug, she finesse, she the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip, and she fuck with all my bros.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Janae back with another video. Today I am going to be doing a video featuring better length hair. I never tried clip-ins in my hair before. This was my first time, so I'm very excited to show you guys how I install them. This is the 16-inch clip-ins. It is the Extra 3C4A. It definitely blends very well. Let's give y'all a quick turn around. Turn around. So I will definitely be rocking this hair for a while. Y'all, the length. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and also click the bell button next to it so you can get notified when I do upload new videos. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so as mentioned, I am using the 3C4A because that is more ideally my hair type. So it is the Afro Kinky Curly Natural Color 16-inch clip-ins. So I just started off by parting my hair in the back and I just start clamping it in. It's very simple to clip in. All you gotta do is just slide it on your hair to make it lock in and then just snap it. It does snap. This is like a snap clip in. So moving on to the next section. I didn't part my lines very even because it don't really matter. No one's gonna be seeing that anyways. And your hair actually blends in really well. I do recommend you to spray your hair with water because when you do so, it will actually blend more better than just leaving it dry. So spraying in water is great. And also I did a wash and go before I did this prior, like 2 days before. And I had some gel left on my hair, so what I do is spray water and that just reactivates the gel that's already in my hair. When applying the clip-ins in the front of my hair, I do leave a space so that way I can just like throw my hair up in a ponytail, or I can just slick my edges down, leaving enough room to do so. And also if the wind blows, you won't see any tracks or anything. So again, I'm just spraying my hair with water, making sure that it blends in very well. As you see, I have my Extreme Wet Line Gel and I'm just using that to lay down my edges in the front. After I lay down my edges, I am going to be putting a bobby pin to secure it behind my ears, and I'm just using the remaining portion that I do have my leave out, I guess my own hair, and I'm just blending it in with the actual hair. So this is my hair with it all installed. It did come with only one bundle with like 10 wefts, so that's just good enough for a full head of hair, especially when you already have full hair. So it just adds a little more volume and length to your hair, so I do love that. So here you see I am picking my hair to have a little bigger hair. My hair is already big, but I just love the volume. So I'm just going to be picking it away here. So this is my hair and this is the length of it. I am going to be having a $5 off discount code. It will be in my description box as well. So this is my hair all blended out, and as you see, you didn't see any wefts in the front, any tracks in the front. So I did put it up just to show you guys that you can't really detect the wefts or anything. So yeah. With these clip-ins, you can try out many different hairstyles. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment as well. And also don't forget to check out the description box for the $5 off discount code. And I hope you all enjoyed. God bless.